Grandma's hands. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 Grandma's hands, oh, grandma's hands.
Up. We'll be home on Thursday, but yeah, probably go back to work on Monday. So yeah, I'm really racing them on my own. I don't get the washing now. Piles up. I'll get them up. Come on. Lily? Alright. Get up. Honey, come on up. Get up, because you get a little piece of socks. Quickly. Where is your lunchbox? We'll put it in that bed. There we are, here. Lily, get your lunchbox in the car. Stay home. No, this is a normal day. They're so easy to make, not like how it used to be. You've got to take all the lumps out. Change your bun. Lunchbox. Didn't you find your lunch bag, Woody?
No, it's with us.
Well, where's your one?
I listen to this song and I recall my own childhood. Remember the time when my great-grandma was by my side. Her hands were chapped but tender. Her hands were the roof of the house where I grew up. And when she died, I missed her hands and lost a part of my soul. Grandma's hands clapped in church on Sunday morning. Grandma's hands play the tambourine so well, I say. Grandma's hands used to ease you out a warning, she'd say. Billy, don't you run so fast, might fall on a piece of glass. Might be snakes there in that grass. Oh, grandma's hands. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.